Hey, business owners! Did you know you can turn your Google Business profile from a simple directory listing into an interactive showcase for your business? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add your products and services, complete with photos, prices, and descriptions. This simple step can help you get found by more customers and close more sales. The first thing you'll need to do is log into the Google account associated with your business. Then, simply search for your business name on Google. Your business profile management panel should appear at the top of the search results, visible only to you. Now, let's break down the next steps for adding your products and services. On your profile, look for an option like Edit Products or a Products tab. Click on Add Product. First, you need to add a product name. Keep it clear and concise. You have up to 58 characters. Then add a product category. You can choose from existing categories or create a new one to organize your products. Now you need to add product price. This is an optional step. You can list a fixed price, a price range, or leave it blank if the price varies. Add a direct URL to the product page on your website. This will create a button like Order Online or Buy. Once you've filled in all the details, click Publish. Your product may show a pending label for a short period while it's being reviewed. And that's it. Your products and services are now live on your Google Business profile, making it easier for customers to find and choose your business. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for more digital marketing tips.